Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. First, we should open the Play Store and in the search we'll enter the X-Icon Changer. So then just tap to install to get this application. After that, just tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications which icons you could change. For example, let's use the context one. Click to this edit icon to rename it if you want. You could use photo from to change text, and you could use a library with different folders with the icons, or to use photo from device gallery, or to take a picture in camera app. For example, let's use one from the available icons. Tap to OK on the right upper corner.
Spektakularne zwycięstwo!
Tap to the X icon. And now we could add this icon to the home screen, and we could go to desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So this is the new contact icon. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.